You never knew that the biggest asteroid to hit Earth didn't just end an era. It helped create the world we know today, the day the Earth changed forever. 66 million years ago, Earth was a different world. Vast forests stretched across ancient continents, teeming with life. Towering dinosaurs ruled the land. The skies were filled with flying reptiles, and the oceans swirled with terrifying predators. It was a time of dominance, diversity, and total oblivion of what was to come. Far away in the dark reaches of the solar system, a massive asteroid, estimated to be 10 to 15 kilometers wide, larger than Mount Everest, was on a collision course with Earth. No one knows what sent it spiraling toward our planet. It may have been nudged by gravitational forces or shaken loose from the asteroid belt. But one thing is certain: Earth was in its path, and there was no stopping it. As the asteroid approached, it was traveling at an unimaginable speed, over 65,000 kilometers per hour, more than 40,000 miles per hour. It tore through the void of space, invisible to the life below. And then, in a single moment, impact. The impact, a force beyond imagination. The asteroid slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in modern-day Mexico. The location was a shallow sea at the time. When it struck, it released energy equivalent to over 100 million megatons of TNT, more than a billion times the energy of the Hiroshima atomic bomb. The explosion created a crater nearly 180 kilometers, 110 miles wide, and about 20 kilometers deep. Mountains of debris were thrown into the air. The Earth itself shuddered, and seismic waves circled the globe, cracking the crust, triggering earthquakes and tsunamis that reached thousands of kilometers from the impact zone. The initial fireball incinerated everything for hundreds of miles. Forests were turned to ash. Creatures nearby were vaporized instantly. But the worst was yet to come. A world set on fire. As molten rock and debris rained back down from the sky, the atmosphere ignited. The air grew red hot. Massive wildfires ignited across the globe. Smoke, dust, and aerosols blanketed the planet, blocking out the sun for months, possibly years. This global blackout caused temperatures to plummet. Photosynthesis ceased. Plants died, and with them, the herbivores. Carnivores followed. The food chain collapsed. This wasn't just an extinction, it was a planetary reset. The extinction event, an estimated 75% of all species on Earth perished. That includes the non-avian dinosaurs, which had ruled for over 160 million years. Ammonites, flying reptiles, marine reptiles like mosasaurs gone. But not everything died. Some tiny mammals, birds, insects, and plants survived. Life, though battered, was not extinguished. In the ashes of the old world, a new one began to form. From ruin to rebirth, the disappearance of the dinosaurs opened ecological space for mammals, small, adaptable, and once overshadowed by giants, to rise. Over millions of years, they evolved and diversified. One lineage would eventually walk onto legs, create fire, write stories, and wonder about its origins. And in the late 20th century, we discovered the crater, Chicxulub, hidden beneath the surface of the Yucatan Peninsula. Scientists confirmed what had long been debated: a cosmic impact had ended the reign of the dinosaurs. A message from the cosmos. The Chicxulub asteroid changed the course of life on Earth forever. Without it, dinosaurs might still rule the planet. Humans, if they ever evolved, might not look anything like they do today. It's a haunting reminder that in the vast, silent reaches of space, Earth is not immune to catastrophe. Asteroids still pass near us. Some are tracked, some are not. The Chicxulub event wasn't just history, it's a warning. And yet, from destruction came creation. From chaos, life found a way.